Hello my dear students, welcome to maths lecture. So in the last lecture we have completed our lesson number 12 percentage. Now today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 13, profit and loss. So what is profit and what is loss? Okay, so in your textbook they have given you the two examples. First let us pay attention to that examples. First, details of Pranav's shopping mall for his stall. Okay, so for his shopping stall, Pranav bought some items, some things for selling those things at stall. So he bought vegetables for rupees 70, butter for rupees 25, bread for rupees 45, masala for rupees 14, and miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means other things. Okay. Other expenses. Okay. So first, he spent 70 rupees on vegetables, 25 rupees on butter, 45 rupees on bread, 14 rupees on masala, and 20 rupees for other miscellaneous expenses. So now, how much he totally spent on these items? So we will do the total. 10, 14, 8, 10, 14, 15, 17. So he bought all these materials for rupees 174. He spent total 174 rupees for purchasing this items. Okay, but what they have given, the amount Pranav gained through his sales, rupees 160, means he earned rupees 160 on selling all these things. Okay, he spent total 174 rupees for purchasing these items, and he gained rupees 160 on selling this all the items. Okay, so the amount, the price at which he bought all these things is called as cost price. Is called as cost price. Okay, that is rupees 174. He spent 174 for purchasing all this item. Rupees 174. This is a cost price. And he sold all these things for rupees 160. He earned rupees 160 after selling all these things. So the price at which he sold all these things is called as selling price. Is called as selling price. So rupees 160. Okay. So now cost price is more than selling price. Cost price is more than selling price. It means it is a loss. See. He suffered a loss of rupees 14. Means for selling these items, first he purchased all these items for rupees 174, which is a cost price. The amount, the price at which we purchase something is called as cost price. And the price at which we sell something is called as selling price. He sold all these items for rupees 160. Means he spent more but he earned less. He spent more but he earned less. Okay. So how much less he earned? rupees 14. So rupees 14 is his loss. So Pranav suffered loss of rupees 14. Okay, understood? Now they have also given you the second example. See, details of Sarita's shopping for her stall. So for Sarita's stall, she purchased plates for rupees 20, spoons for rupees 10, chutney for rupees 30, puffed rice for rupees 50, onions for rupees 20, and miscellaneous for rupees 60. Now we have to do total of all these expenses so that we can find the total amount spent by her for purchasing all these items. 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 6, 19. So she totally spent 190 rupees for buying all these things. Okay, but what they have given, amount Sarita gained by selling these items is rupees 230. Okay, so she purchased all these items for rupees 190, but after selling all these items she earned rupees 230. Okay, so this is a selling price, the price at which she sold all these things. Rupees 230 is selling price and 190 is cost price. Okay, she spent rupees 190 for purchasing these things. Okay, so this is a cost price. So here selling price is more than cost price. So it means she made a profit. Okay, when selling price is more than cost price, then it is a profit. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. That is 230 minus 190. 13, 4. Okay. So she earned ₹40 extra. Okay. So in the previous example, Pranav suffered loss of rupees 14. While in the second example, Sarita earned rupees 40 extra. It means she made a profit of rupees 40. So profit and loss depends on the two important things, which is cost price and selling price. Cost price and selling price. Cost price is the price at which we purchase, we buy something, and selling price is the price at which we sell something. Okay, cost price, the price at which we purchase, selling price is the price at which we sell. Okay, now when selling price is greater than cost price, then it is a profit. So the formula should be selling price minus cost price, that is equal to profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And when cost price is greater than selling price, then it is a loss. So therefore loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, you have to learn these two formulas. Okay, we will be solving sums based on these two formulas. So now we will move to solved examples. Okay, so solved example number 1. Hamid bhai bought bananas worth rupees 2000 and sold them all for rupees 1890. Did he make a profit or a loss? How much was it? Okay, so first what they have given in the question, Hamid bhai bought bananas worth rupees 2000. Bought bananas rupees 2000 means the cost price. See, in the question they have given you Hamid bhai bought bananas rupees 2000. The price at which we buy something or we purchase something is called as cost price. So cost price of the bananas is rupees 2000. Okay, and he sold them all for rupees 1890. Means selling price is rupees 1890. Understood? Okay. Now we have to find out whether it is a profit or loss. So we have learned previously that if selling price is more than cost price, then it is a profit. When cost price is more than selling price, then it is a loss. So here cost price is greater than selling price, therefore it is a loss. And the formula of loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price 2000 minus selling price 110. Okay, rupees 110. So Hamid bhai suffered a loss of rupees 110. He spent 2000 rupees and he earned only 1890. It means he earned 110 rupees less. Okay, so it means rupees 110 is his loss. Okay, understood? Now the next example. Harbhajan Singh bought 500 kg of rice for 22,000 rupees and sold it all at the rate of rupees 48 per kg. How much profit did he make? So first, Harbhajan Singh bought 500 kg of rice for rupees 22,000, means cost price of 500 kg rice rupees 22,000. Okay, and he sold all the 500 kg of rice at the rate of rupees 48 per kg. 48 per kg means the selling price of 1 kg. Per kg means 1 kg is rupees 48. So therefore selling price of 500 kg is equal to 500 multiplied by 48. 0 0 40 0 0 0 0 20. So 24,000. So selling price of 500 kg is rupees 24,000. Now we have to see whether it is a profit or loss. See, cost price rupees 22,000 and selling price is 24,000. Means here selling price is greater than cost price. It means it is a profit. He earned a profit. The formula of profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 24,000 minus 22,000. 2000 rupees. So therefore, he earned the profit of rupees 2000. He purchased 500 kg of rice for rupees 22,000. But he earned rupees, he sold 500 kg of rice at rupees 24,000. 500 multiplied by 48. We got the answer 24,000. So it means he earned extra 2,000 rupees. Okay, so it is his profit. Okay, understood? So today we will stop here. In the next lecture, we will start our practice set number 31. Okay, so today just practice this solved examples given on page number 66, and also learn both the formulas of profit and loss. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture with practice set number 31. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care. Thank you.